Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix no internet connection. Tap to retry, connect to the internet and try again issue on TikTok. So guys, if you're trying to use your TikTok but you are facing this issue and you are unable to use TikTok, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and drag down your control center and make sure that your internet connection is working properly. So guys, if your internet connection is weak, then you have to simply connect to a strong internet connection, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then open settings in your device and then go to general, scroll it below and then go to transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network settings of your device for one time, and after this go to VPN and device management and connect your device with a VPN, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to go to iPhone storage or you have to open all the apps on your Android phone and then go to your TikTok and then offload your TikTok app for one time, and after this go back and now you have to open App Store or Play Store and search for TikTok. So guys, search for TikTok and now download the latest version of TikTok app in your device. So guys, do this and after this restart your device and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply contact the TikTok support team for further information and help. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.